Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick review of this Phase E series RFP. This is the Day of the Dead, model number 3012435. I got this off of Amazon for $148.99, which they range from all over the place up to $275. So look around, you'll find a good deal. It said 1 to 6 days shipping, I believe. I got it in probably 3 days. I'm pretty close to a major city. That helps. I've been looking at these safe faces for a couple years. My brother uses these at work and loves his, so I thought I'd try my hand at one. He loves this view, which I'm telling you, this thing is amazing on how big it is and accurate. But this one's their new one, the E series. Get it out of the box here. But this is the packaging it comes in. Here's the helmet. Pretty sweet graphics. I think that's what drew my eye to this particular model, although all of them look pretty neat. The E series, one thing I've noticed is I believe Save Face sold to another company, which is why you're having trouble on their website. If you try to register your product, I think they're moving over to a new company, which has bought them out. So it's just what I think happened, which makes sense, because this is not on Save Face's website, and it is on the new website. And I can't remember exactly what their website's called, but all the Save Face products are on there, including a couple new ones with the E series. But anyways, the view is ginormous compared to a typical welding helmet, which is awesome. It's clear, works great. The side shields here are actually a shade, so you can see through these when you're welding. You can actually pick up if somebody's walking up to your left or your right. Your grind and all that stuff is external on this one for your shade sensitivity. As far as this one goes from 9 to 13, which is, I think, a fairly new thing on these E series, that it's on an external. The halo's another pretty neat deal. It's quite adjustable, which took a minute to get it, but I got it and I like it. Yeah, let me loosen it up. I put it in the box so you can see what. But it's pretty neat. Pretty controllable on the fall. You can change where it stops with some little knobs in here, little bump stops, so you can come down farther, stop up higher. Pretty basic on tightening your hood on how it goes up and down. This is inside the helmet, so it's a quick view. I don't know if you can see your knobs up here. So that's pretty neat. If you need to replace any parts, there's a parts list here for all the parts on this helmet. But again, I haven't seen anything on these on YouTube, and I will say it is a sweet looking helmet. I hope not having much protection around the neck area doesn't cause me problems, but I'll do an update and let you know. I don't think it's going to cause any issues, but we'll find out. And there you go. Quick look at the E series from Save Face. If you've got any questions, leave me a message and I'll try to get back with you. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.